Okay, we have a Sharp Vertical Machining Center, model SV2412S, serial number 409-00522. Machine was new in 2006. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a Fanuc model OI Mate C control. He's running the X-axis, which has 24-inch X, 12-inch of Y. 12-inch of Y and 18-inch of Z. All the axes are quiet. They have Fanuc servo motors and ball screws on each axis and drives. Machine has a 27.5 by 12-inch table. He's running the spindle right now, which is Cat 40. He's running at 2,500 RPM. It goes up to 10,000 RPM. 5,000. 7,500. Again, this machine's original paint, very crisp. Has a 16 tool automatic tool changer, umbrella style. Okay. We have some extra tools with it, and the machine, the control has a pulse generator pendant. Hey, thank you for watching our video.